Hello everybody, myself Balodi Tarak Prakash. I'm here to tell you about the World Trade Organization on the Belgium country. Let's see what happens on the Belgium and its contribution to the World Trade Organization. Yep, the Belgium is my country which has been allocated to me by my professor. Moving to the next slide. Yep, the cultures of the Belgium, it's nothing but like the Belgium is bordered by the Netherlands in the north and like by the Germany in the east, and whereas the Luxembourg on the southern east part, with a population of just under 10.5 million and a surface of over 30,528 kilometers square, the Belgium is after the Netherlands and the San Marino, which we can say the most densely populated country in all the Europe. At the last of the census, 60% of the Belgium inhabitants were the Dutch speakers, nearly like 40% were the French speakers, and 1% was the German speakers in the country. The Belgium is a federal country which has been marked impact on not only the traditions but also how the economy of the country functions and its businesses. Let's see how the federal state and the cultural has the different regions. There are like 3 regions in which one is the Flanders, another one is the Wallonia, and the other one is the capital city of Brussels, which is the capital city of Belgium. And if we explore the Belgian culture through the lens of the 6D model, which is the Hofstede model, we can see the good overview of the deep drivers of the Belgian culture relative to the other world cultures. Next slide, please. Let's see the demographics of the Belgium country. With a population of 444,268 according to the July 2014. The median age was between like 42.8 years, and where was like male was like 41.5 and like female were of like 44.2 and the rest of the others. The population growth was every 0.05% every year, and the birth rate was like 10 births every 1,000 population, and the death rate was also more than the birth rate, which was 10.7% for every 1,000 population. And the currency conversions according to the US dollar was €1 was equals to 1.36 US dollar in the year of 2014, whereas in Indian currency it was like 83.8 Indian rupees for €1. And coming to the political and economical environmental, the rule of law, which not only withstanding ongoing political difficulties with the 2 linguistic communities, but also corruption remains minimal in Belgium. Comparing to the other countries, the corruption is very less into the Belgium countries because the punishments and the prohibitions are very high in the forms of all, bribery, corruptions. Whereas coming to the limited government, Belgium's top individual in the income tax rate was 50%, and the corporate income tax was 33%, and also like it was a burden of equal to 45.3% of the gross domestic product. And whereas the regulatory efficiency, the overall regulatory efficiency and the cost of establishing a company has been reduced, and starting a business takes only like 3 days and only few procedures to open a business. The basic economics, the Belgium is heavily dependent on a foreign trade since the closing of its coal mines in the year of 1960s, which was the second largest coal mining industry in the whole world, but it's now been closed in the year of 1960. The country has had to import most of its fuel, although its nuclear energy. And the economic, coming to the economic, the modern private enterprise economy of Belgium has been capitalized on its central geographic location, highly developed transparent network, and divided into the industrial and commercial bases. The political background of the Belgium country, with a population of, as I said, 10.4 million people in a territory comparable to the state of Maryland, the Belgium is a very highly densely populated country in the world, not in the whole world. Sitting in the cultural and linguistic border of Germany and the Latin Europe. In political statement, the Belgium capital of Brussels is a home to the headquarters of the European Union of the Northern Atlantic Treaty Organizations, as well as of the hundreds of international institutions, associations, and the multinational corporations. Political life, Belgium is a federal state consisting of the 3 languages communities that are responsible for the control of culture, education, and also the regions responsible for controlling the economic development in the country. Speaking communicates are like Flemish regions have merged, leaving the country with its governments and 6 parliaments in the country. Leadership. The major political parties are the Liberals, Socialistic, Christian Democrats, and complemented by the religionist parties as the Volksunie and the extreme right-wing Vlaams Blok in Flanders. And the market overview. The market overview in the Belgium enjoys one of the highest per capita incomes in Europe, with the relatively balanced income distribution resulting in the widely spread purchasing powers. The US marks a Belgium's 5th principal trading partner, with the Belgium ranked 18th largest US trading partner in the year of 2014. Bilateral trade was worth over $41 million for the year of 2010, whereas Belgium was successful in international rankings. The Corruption Perception Index in the year of 2011 was on the rank of 19. Heritage Economic Freedom in the year of 2011 was like 32 rank in the World Bank doing business in the year of 2012. And to enter into the market of Belgium, it's very easy to get, like, exporters can penetrate the Belgium market through importers, distributors, wholesalers, or specialized retailers. Depending on the products and the company size, interested exporters will have to focus on innovation, quality, competitive pricing to successfully penetrate into the markets. It is also the country of entry for many imports originating from many countries with final destinations throughout the Europe. Next slide. Let us see the exports between the India and the Belgium country. India exports to the Belgium are like fragmented sands, like diamonds, whereas the Belgium export to India is nothing but few diamonds, which are unpolished, uncrafted, and the diamonds shows like 31.17%, whereas like original sculptures and the statuary shows like 46.2% for the export of Belgium. Whereas coming to the export from Belgium to India, it's only unpolished diamonds of 80.4%, which are like mounted or set, not cleared. Whereas in the methionine is like 15.3%. Next slide, please. Investing in Belgium. The investing climate is nothing like Belgium has traditionally maintained an open economic, like make in Belgium, like make in India. Highly dependent on international trade for its well-being. Since WWII, foreign investment has played a vital role in the Belgian economy, providing technology and also the employment, educations, and like both the federal and the regional governments encourage the foreign investment on the national treatment. Potential investor getting like if you want to get started doing business in the Belgium, it's very easy to, like, you need to consider investment in Belgium. Here are like few steps. You need to visit the host country, like investment in Wallonia, Flanders Investment and Trade, Brussels Enterprise Agency. Like these are the investment offices with which you can contact and you can start doing business in the Belgium. Like contacting like US local business support organizations. If you are doing business from the US, you need to contact to the US business support organizations, or also you can contact the government of Belgium in case of any support or the guidance you require. Next slide, please. Next, difference in India and Belgium in the financial sectors. Complementary to our first banking report, which looked at the historical performance of the Belgian banking sector, presents the views of C-level executives of 15 Belgian banks in the future banking sector. To achieve a, we designed a structured interview that provides a top-down approach in the assessing banks. The National Banks of Belgium projects 0.0% of GDP growth in the year of 2013, with the growth in the 2014 estimated at mere 1.1%. And in the July of 2013 consumer survey, we can see the graphs as per the figures given in the year from the between 2006 to 2014. The growth rate was like 513 billions in US dollars in the year of 2012, which went more than 500. But whereas in the year of 2006 was very less, like 377.35. Then coming to the year of 2014, that went to the $508 billion. According to the sources. Ethical issues. The ethical issues include like implications of the levels of confidence for the consumers and the other stakeholders, relationship between the ethical claims, ethical trade, and ethical impacts on assuring consumer confidence, for the ethical trading. To overcome all the ethical issues, I have mentioned few points, to accurate information, like simple and clear, with adequate information for the consumers, independent verification on the claim being made, transparencies, accountability and traceability through the supply chain. Whereas the legal system is nothing but, like, Belgium is a member of the International Center for the Settlement of Investment Disputes. It regularly includes provision of ICSD abbreviation in the investment agreements. And this is all. I'll finish with my presentation. Gracias. Thank you very much.